Well, good evening. I'm going to talk about the Armadale Thornlie Line shutdown. From today, the Armadale Thornlie Line will be closed for 18 months. Victoria Park Canning Level Crossing project will remove 6 level crossings and rebuilding 5 elevated stations. Welshpool Station was permanently closed. There will be further enhancements between Kenwick and Armadale stations. The last service on the Australind Line departed from Perth and arrived at Bunbury during the night on 19th of November 2023. That means that yesterday's train, the ADQ, was retired. The last service on the Thornlie Line departed from Perth and arrived at Thornlie during the afternoon on 19th of November 2023. The last service on the Armadale Line departed at 1:02 a.m. from Perth and arrived at Armadale at 1:41 a.m. on 20th of November 2023. That's when Coldplay Concert was finished and everyone had to go back home. Train services changes. From today until Wednesday, there's a full line closure. Perth Armadale Thornlie train services are shut during the period and are replaced by rail replacement buses. From Thursday until mid-2025, there's a part line closure, which means that Perth and Victoria Park stations will be reopened. However, they will operate at an increased frequency of about 7.5 minutes during the day and 15 minutes during the evenings. Train services will be cancelled between Vic Park and Armadale Thornlie stations. Further changes to Optus Stadium special event services. Rail replacement bus routes. From today until mid-2025, Armadale Thornlie and Australind Train Line was shut down. Rail replacement buses are being used for the trip. New enhanced bus routes include 36 Airport Central to Cannington Station, 51 Cannington Station to Perth Busport, 206 Cannington Station to Murdoch University by Thornlie and Murdoch stations, 221 Armadale Station to Perth Busport by Albany Highway, 230 Thornlie Station to Perth Busport, 529 Armadale Station to Coburn Central Station, 651 Armadale Station to Optus Stadium, event services only, 660 Cannington Station to Optus Stadium, event services only, 905 Perth Station to Vic Park Station, only used for 20 to 22nd of November 2023, 907 Armadale Station to Perth Station, and 908 Cannington Station to Vic Park Station. The 900 series is the rail replacement buses. Future. By the time we get to mid-2025, Armadale Thornlie Line will be reopened just in time for winter as well. They've got the State of Origin series, which will be played at Optus Stadium in June 2025. The new Oak Street will be built 150 metres east of the removed Oak Street level crossing. Thornlie Line will extend to Coburn Central with stations at Nicholson Road and Ranford Road. A new Australind train will be up and running from Bunbury to Perth.